Welcome back. This is Drake's Kitchen. Today we're making hash brown potatoes.
This is what you're going to need for this recipe. A couple of potatoes, some salt, oil, all purpose is fine, and a bowl, and a frying pan. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering how this came about, and this is really how it came about. Potato said, hey, can you scratch my back? And it all ended from there. Start with a bowl, fill it with water. The trick is when you shave the potato into a bowl of water. This keeps it from browning and it makes it crispier. What are you looking at? Nothing much, man. You're about to look the same in about a few minutes. After this bad boy's shredded in a bowl of water, go ahead and drain out the water and let's move it to the fryer. Alright, now we're smoking. Let's fill it up. Make sure that heat's nice and hot. We're going to use some salt. Slap some pepper on that. Let that sucker sit there. It'll cook for 3 or 4 minutes and just sit there and watch. Time to watch the browning process. The main trick you gotta remember in this recipe is soak those potatoes in water. It makes them extra crispy and it keeps them from turning brown. Gives you those curly whites. We're gonna spice this bad boy up and pop on some cheese. Go ahead and get this whipped up. I'm going to start chopping it up. Looks like it's getting nice and crispy like we were looking for. Go ahead and flatten that bad boy out. Go ahead and season it with some more salt. We're going to let that crisp up some more and then add some cheese on it. Alright, so you can make them as brown as you want. I think this is going to be just enough for me. I like them just golden. Now what we're going to do, this is my favorite part about it. Cheese. I'm using cast iron. So cast iron holds heat. So I'm going to slap the cheese on there. Give it about 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And then I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm using a gas stove. So that's how I'm heating it. It'll be the same with the electric one. It'll have the heating element. But we're going to go ahead and shut the heat off now. See how that cheese is caramelizing on the edge? It's caramelizing right there. It'll make like these cheese chips. They're pretty good. If you want to make something fun, you can just do cheese chips without the potato. Oh, it's super good, man. So, just watching it cook. Alright, so now we're going to serve this bad boy up. Just scoop it up like this, but look, this is the cheese chip I was talking about. We'll cut it off so you can see it. It's pretty intense. They're really, really good. Look at that, man. And then when you let it sit, it'll start to get all hard and crispy. We'll try to air it out right now. Bomb. Look. Stiff as a board. It's good stuff, man. And what you can do is you can leave that skillet. Make the cheese chips I was talking about. Just like this. Bomb. And it'll come out like cheese chips. And they're nice. Still no heat. That sucker's on off. No heat. Just let it sit there. It'll take about 2 minutes. Here's those cheddar chips. Is that about 3 minutes? Boom. Just eat these like chips, man. These are nice. Parsley rain.
Alright, dogs. Shredded hash brown potatoes with cheese chips.
This is what happens when the cheese grater meets the potato. You can serve this just plain or with some of this Hunt's tomato ketchup. Boom. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
If you guys like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the section. If you got any questions or you want me to shoot any new videos with any new foods you want me to try, I'll try some weird stuff, man. Just throw something out there. Cow tongue, pig eye, whatever. Do it.
Parsley rain.